Right, right. It's all hitting us.
Preferred to be over here.
Great. It's going to be, the sun's going to come out. It'll be in a driving rainstorm. I've been in this before.
This is the way to go today, man.
That's right. Just kind of lay back in a vehicle. So how'd the picnic go? Good? Did you guys make it to the picnic?
I think.
Huh?
When the back starts spinning, you chill it, so when the chicken and the hop.
I mean, where did we get this vehicle?
Would you like out here where you can shoot and get your lens all wet?
Yeah, sure.